Hello friend, assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show how to animate a view text. So let's see our demo. So now look like this. Now look at the waves and creative coders also changes. So let's start. So this is empty page, and first of all we need our animated text kit package also. So let's start. So first we have to need show our animated web text. So first we have need text liquid fill. We have need text also, and we have need background colors dot green. We have need box height also 200. Now reload it. Now see here creative coder also look like this, and we have to need change some fonts also. Style, text style, font size also 15. So it's big, small. Now 55. Okay, nice. Now colors also, colors dot white. Now reload. Now look like. Okay, now we have to change our web colors dot red. Okay, now we have fixed our duration also. Web duration seconds 15s. Now reload. Okay, that's it. So now we are learn another one. So text kit, animated text kit. So we have need pass here text is also array. So here we will pass web v animated text style also. So text style also just copy paste from here. Text style, no need to paste color here. So we will put here 40 font size also, and add some text also. So creative coder, I am just learning purpose. So this is creative coder. We will rename this name also. Now reload it. So we have to need change color also. Colors dot black. So look like this. Creative coder is waving. So we will fix this. Is we will put it here. Is repeating or not? Is repeating or not? We will check here false. If we set here to do and reload again, Now check, is also working nice. So if you have no animated text kit, so thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.